Xin chào. Xin chào.
Some places wear their tourism openly. Tam Coc's main area doesn't hide what it is. Restaurants, food carts, and coffee shops cluster where the boat trips begin. There's a spot by the river where locals grill meat and the smoke catches your attention. Walking down the street, a fruit stand displays everything fresh. Mangoes, dragon fruit, oranges, all the colors of the season. Tam Coc has been shaped by visitors, built to serve them, but the texture of the place comes from what exists underneath. A woman in a Vietnamese hat rides past on her bike, moving through the tourism like it's just part of the landscape. Real life and the visitor experience exist in the same space. Neither one cancels the other out.
So yeah, Tam Coc could be an area that you stay in when you come to Ninh Binh. It is one of the most popular areas in this whole area. We're staying over in Trang An. I've done a walk video there, actually 2 walk videos there if you want to check those out, see what it's like. Compared to this area, a little more quiet over there and not as much going on. But yeah, we're liking the vibe over here so far. We've just been hanging out a bit. We filmed the second part of our boat excursion video. Go check that video out. We're also doing a vlog in the area for the day, just showing you kind of things you can do and places to eat, stuff like that. But I want to do this walk video so you guys can get a raw idea of what it's like here, or maybe you've been here and you want to relive it again after you went home, or it's been a couple years, something like that. I love doing these videos for that reason. Again, filming on the new Action 6, not on the big Canon, so see how it goes here. Try not to be out of breath so you don't hear me breathing the whole time like the last vlog video. But yeah, so far, like I said, it's really cool. So this is the, I guess it'd be the north part of it. So the main gates when you're coming in, that's what you see in the background here. And yeah, just gonna walk the main strip, show you what to expect here as far as restaurants, show you where to get on the boats for the little boat tour. You can do a full tour with temples and stuff there, and you can buy the tickets right there, or just past this gate on the left, you can get just the boat ticket. So again, watch that video, you'll see all that stuff. But there's tour spots all around you, get all your tours at. So yeah, let's go for a little walk here. Nice sunny day up in Ninh Binh. So again, you got restaurants and stuff right here. You got supermarkets and stuff. Basically anything you're gonna need, you're gonna be able to find all along here. There's a nightclub right there called Last Call. And of course, you got some shopping and stuff you can do here. So t-shirts, toques, things you might need. Maybe you forgot to bring a jacket, you can get one here. All sorts of stuff you can purchase. Not the easiest to walk here. There's no real sidewalks, so there is, but they're covered in motorbikes and stuff as usual. But yeah, again, really cool spots. I don't know if I'm gonna get through here. Tour bus showed up. See if I can squeeze through. But yeah, more shopping. Of course, you can rent bikes, so everybody's on their bikes. They can walk or ride around everywhere if you don't want to walk. Again, other travel agents for booking stuff. Yeah, it's kind of a bit of the same stuff just over and over throughout this, but depending on where you're staying, something's gonna be closer than other ones. So it's good that there's a lot of options. Money exchange, it says ATM, but there's banks and stuff around here, I'm sure. You got some paintings. But yeah, decent amount of shopping right here. But yeah, like I said, it has a really cool vibe here. There's like, it's got some action going on. And again, this is December, mid-December. We're, what day are we now? Like the 18th? Trying to keep track. Monday was such a blur in the shuttle. So the 18th of December, again, it's not full tourist season, so it's not as busy. Like the boats yesterday were less busy than the boats here. Just because more people come and stay in this area, I guess. But just so you know, this is a good time to come. You still have some sunny days. Cool little alleyways and stuff all the way around if you want to explore. You got an Indian restaurant. You'll find those everywhere in Vietnam, all over Southeast Asia actually. Watch out for the bus. But yeah, I definitely don't want to be riding the bikes in town here with all the buses and all that stuff. A little sketchy, no helmet on, you know. I did notice down here, there's a little bar down there. Then this is where the boats are. That's where you get on to do the tour. Cool Jeep there. But yeah, definitely a backpacker area too. A lot of backpackers come to do the adventures, and pretty inexpensive. People on a budget. It's a good spot for that. This place has pizza, big pizza oven. But yeah, this whole area is for the boats. It was fun. It was a good experience. We just did the boat ride. We didn't do the whole full tour just because we're comparing boat rides. So I'd recommend doing the full tour if you have time. Yeah, here's another bike rental spot here, big one. They got electric bikes. They got single speeds for the hipsters. Yeah, this old bus turned into a bar, sports pub, and karaoke. They do bike rentals here too, so all along here you're gonna find that. There's a little Italy pizza. We actually went and had coffee down that side road by that bus. A place called Turtle Coffee, which is cool. Yeah, Shayna and Lakai are down here somewhere, finding us a spot to have lunch. And it's not the easiest to walk around here. But yeah, all these little alleyways like this. Lots and lots of choice for restaurants all along here, which is cool. Just saw Shayna and Lakai. Some family restaurant. Another pizza place here. Little spa. A little part Chihuahua here or something. That's a cool little spot down here. Lanterns Restaurant. That's cool. It's like all down the alleyway. Got a cool little vibe. Get another bus that's turned into a bar or a pub. Common theme here. Get another market down here. Happy hour. 10K for a draft beer. I like doing these walks because then I get to see what there is as well. If we ever come back and we're like, oh, I saw that place, that looked cool, check it out. Yeah, all these places have like nice outdoor seating, it seems. A lot of them. 7K here for happy hour draft beer. That's cheap. I just put the price down below, you guys will see. Pretty inexpensive. Another wood fire pizza place here. That smells good. The smoke from the wood fire makes you want pizza. Definitely gonna need a beer after this walk. It's quite warm. This is cool little spot. They got a pool in the background. Yeah, I got a Winmart Plus over here, so you'll see those all over Vietnam. We have one by our house. Rustic garden. There was some restaurants on the water as well, so if you go past the boats and then head right in there somewhere, you can get to some restaurants right on the water if you want to have that view. Buddha belly, that's what I have from Too Many Hudas. I got the Huda Buddha. You're getting rid of that in January, this month, when this comes out. Little sneaker spot. You'll find those all over here too if you want to get some knockoff Nikes and stuff. Pretty good quality. Like, the material they're using is pretty good. Fresh fruit there, little fruit market. Again, more shoes. Nice Rolls Royce ripping through. Yeah. You got like a factory outlet store for like camping stuff, I guess it looks like. Outdoor gear. Yeah, a lot of restaurants. Definitely not gonna go hungry here. I guess all for the pizza ovens. Got a little bridge here. Xin chào. That's cool. Cool little town. I like it. This place is cool, right over the water. Probably good food there. Local food. Yeah, another sneaker shop. There's a lot of those here. It's crazy. I wonder where all the factories actually are. Like all the clothing factories, if they're all spread out or if they're up by Hanoi. If anybody knows, comment below. So yeah, the road curves around here, so we're gonna continue on down that way. It's funny. You get a grab jacket to take home as a souvenir. We actually went for some Indian food out this way. It was really good. Got a little coffee and tea spot here on the corner. That's cool. It's just cool, all the mountains and behind the buildings. Got the old ladies on their bikes. So yeah, we'll go down here a little ways, see what there is. Tattoo spots, of course, there's a few of those I've walked past already. Pretty reasonable price for tattoos here. Obviously going to depend on what you're getting done. I got my 3 stamps done for $65 US in Da Nang. Low season rate. Oh, this is the Indian restaurant we ate at called Kadhai. Really good food there if you're in the area. Definitely recommend eating there. It was super good. The staff was amazing, like attentive and friendly. But yeah, it was just delicious food overall if you're into Indian food. Hair salon. Kind of the bulk of it's back there, I guess. Probably where you'll hang out the most. Another little. Xin chào. But yeah, we want to find a bike rental out this way that's closer to the rice fields. So we'll see. But yeah, just more restaurants. There's another hair salon. Or not hair salon, a massage spot. Nail and eyelashes. It's actually sidewalk. like a school of some sort. So yeah, I don't know if there's much past here. I mean, there will be. It just won't be as condensed. We'll go around this corner and see. This is pretty cool. Some sort of monument. I think that's pretty much it as far as a condensed area of like where you want to hang out. There'll be like all sorts of hotels and guest houses and stuff out this way, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll head back the other way to go meet up with Lakai and Shayna, have some lunch. But yeah, nice little walk here through Tam Coc. Again, show you guys what it's like. Comment below, have you guys been here before? Are you planning on coming here? Did this video help at all? If you have any recommendations because you've been here, drop them in the comments below. Let people know. Always good to hear from you guys about that kind of stuff. And it's for us too, if we ever come back and we're like, oh yeah, I remember so-and-so recommended this. So yeah, comment section's free to use. Give her a whirl. And we'll obviously try to reply to all of you as always. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys did like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.
Feel the freedom in your soul. Let the journey make you whole. New horizons calling out. This is what life's all about. Chase the sunset, chase the dawn.